So finally got the screws in for this. We are going to go ahead and sight it in. So I brought it out to my buddy's beautiful ranch, and we're going to see if we can't get this thing dialed in. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and use some mini mag target, and we're going to set up a shot cam so you could see downrange. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to set up the shot cam. And make sure that we could see it. Oh, pull that up. Okay, now that we got the shot cam set up, let's go ahead and take our first shots. Actually, I'm going to set the shot cam over there in the shade. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our first shots. Alright, so we're going to load this thing up with some of those CCI targets, and we're going to take some shots so we can zero it in. Hopefully we only need like one shot. What do you think about that, Johnny? Hopefully.
I doubt it.
You think it'll take more than one?
Maybe at least two.
Alright, well, let me grab some hearing protection. And see about this. Okay, so held it right on the X. Let's go see what we did to it.
Go to the right.
Okay, so we're a little low to the right. We're gonna make some adjustments and see what we got. Alright, so we made some adjustments. Let's go ahead and take a couple more shots, and we're gonna hold. Okay, let's see what we did. Alright, so let's see what we did with those shots. Ah, there you go. Nice. Okay, very good. Now that we got it dialed in and the scope is zeroed, we're going to take this 2x4 and my little sister's favorite snack, gummy bears. We're going to go set some up way out there at the corner of the berm. Alright, let's destroy some of my little sister's favorite snack. Knock down the board. Go reset that. Alright, got the board reset. Gummy bears back on it. Dang it. Alright, looks like we knocked down two with one shot. Okay, so obviously I'm not that good of a shot, and I did not actually take the time to really dial this in. So that was just kind of a joke with the gummy bears. Now I'm actually going to show you how well it honestly is sighted in, and also give you another gummy bear explosion. So comment down below if you can tell how I did this part. This is how I actually hit the gummy bears. Kind of like that. So the Rough Rider in this awesome Space Cowboy chassis with this random junky scope, and this is how it actually shoots compared to the trickery with the gummy bears. So I didn't really sight it in, but it's not too far off. there you have it. So it's not too bad in terms of being off on the site. It is definitely cool and it is fun. I think that the kids are really gonna like it. It reminds them of a Borderlands 2 style gun. Since they're both obsessed with Borderlands right now, I figure why not, and they'll probably really like it. Alright, so you've seen the Space Cowboy and seen it shoot. Maybe you got tricked possibly by gummy bears being destroyed by it from a really long range.